While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. We're gonna check out Arms Nuts right now, live in effect. Sounds crazy to say, but yeah, let's get into it. Woo! Hey, I like his hair, bro. I wanna do my hair like that. All right. Hey, all right.
I could make this right place for you. I could make it just right for you.
Okay.
I could make this
Hey.
right place for you.
Okay.
I could make it right. She a pro rider.
Rider.
Must be an A1 gotta always throw a fucking slaughter when it come to love. She could be a damn fighter. Fast gas slider. No more man could ever fight her. 하고 man 어찌 모든 걸 함께 해. 어째 이제 네가 줄 수 있는 게 없는데. Freaky you freaking me. Begging you baby please. 평생 같은 개소리. Love is for the freaks here. Bro.
Hey, yo, Loki, we have the same headphones. I'm just like twinning. Anyways.
Rider. Must be an A1 gotta always on that fucking cop talk when it come to money. He could be a damn fighter. Fast gas slider. No a woman could stop him. 하고 nuts. 괴물이 된 꼴이. You look like your guts. 그저 껍데기뿐인 trust. Freaky you freaking me. Wishing you in a creep. 사랑은 망해 반드시. Love is for the freaks. I could make this right place for you. I could make it just right for you. I could make this right place for you.
Where is this place?
I could make it just right for you. I could play a right chord for you. I could take you right to the. I could make you right place.
Studio, whoever that making this beat, bro.
Right. Now lay back. You've never been so high. Know you afraid of heights. I will close your eyes. Now lay back.
Lay back.
You've never been so high. Know you afraid of heights. Don't say it goodbye.
Don't say it.
너 간뒤로 비로소 난 살아있어. 매일 밤이면 과거에 나에게 보내는 유서를 써. 위스키 한 잔이면 털어질 모든 기억. 잊지도 않은 시계 빌어. 네가 내 전부던 20대에서 벗어날 수 있도록 행복하길 바랄게. 진심이야 믿겠지만 숨겼던 관계. There's a stigma on my chest. It's called you.
Damn.
것조차 믿기질 않는 it was a fluke.
It's so different to sing it with visuals too.
It's coming through. The monster hasn't been me. I beg you, baby, please. Forever, ever wish you a true happiness.
Damn. I like his vibe though, I'm not gonna lie. Hey. Ah! Damn. Right place, wrong person? Duh. Domodachi. Isn't it like a play on words of two Japanese words? Huh.
Motherfuckers want a big role. Motherfuckers need a damn patrol. I've been sucking for all kind of bullshit. EJ just not chosen. All suckers wanna get it. Take a sip, cause Johnny Bull out of shit. All the suckers wanna hit it. I'ma lead you to the heaven group.
Wait, what are they doing?
When they get around it, O's on my friends when they taking out the pose. Yeah, I'm not down with the bullshit. Get the fuck down, motherfucker, with the doing shit. No more goofing around, I won't cool shit. I'ma stay calm when they come with the no shit. Cause your boots are more that bullshit. 친구들은 more than 주의하죠 shit. Yeah, I get fire inside. Let me go get down with the party. Yeah, I'm not down, motherfucker, with the bullshit. Get the fuck down.
Well, that's like almost chaotic, my god. Bro, this part is always trippy to me though. So, just a reminder, Domo as in thank you, and Dachi is from Tomodachi friends. So, I thank you, friend, I believe. Yes, that's what I remember looking up last time too. What?
Motherfuckers wanna big and grow. Motherfuckers wanna take control. All my friends crying in a row. You won't get it. Free soul, better come with it.
Look, step in the place and then yo go figure. Watch, I'ma go all out for my hitter. I already told them I'm a gorilla. Simz and RM, man, it don't get bigger. Catch me in the back when my G's them. Greet them with respect.
Bro, adding little Simz is crazy. That's such a great feature.
Cause that's my dog, that's my homie. You and I know, aren't you phony? I set the tone, listen up closely. You know my name, but you do not know me. I've got my broskies back till the end. You can't put one hand on my friend.
Hey.
We're just here for a good time every day. Nay, son, I'm Chi Monte.
And she like,
I've got my broskies back till the end. You can't put one hand on my friend. We're just here for a good time every day. Nay, son, I'm Chi Monte.
That's crazy. That's crazy. You put a photo with her on the G. Oh, I have to check it out though. Jazz. I mean, saxophone. Oh, he got away. Damn. Huh. The chanting is kind of haunting a bit too, to be honest. At least for me. I like it though. The look back. Wait. It's going back? Oh, wait. There's some major symbolism here. This is just the comments, by the way. The child is pulled into a dangerous world full of chaos and corruption. His friends help him, guide him through. In the end, he escapes, almost walks away, but then he suddenly changes his mind and returns to the chaos. Is it because one of his friends is still trapped inside, or is it because there was something about that world which he felt drawn to, or something else he needed to do? That's the thing. It makes you think. That's fire. That's fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.